Hey guys, Southern Arkansas Trains here. Quick announcement. I'll probably more likely be the only one doing train videos, just getting them and stuff, because my boyfriend's got a job that he may be out of town most of the time, and he's going to be busy majority of the time. So, but don't think that he's not going to be on the share, not be doing this with me. But he still is. He's part of Southern Arkansas Trains. But if what he'll do, which I'm sure he will, that he's gonna send me videos if he catches trains though, like out, just anywhere where he goes. So it's gonna be on either YouTube or TikTok, stuff like that. But I'm not leaving him out. I mean, we're still part of the team. I'm just want to let you know, if y'all don't hear him a whole lot, it's because he's either working, or he's out of town. So just don't think nothing bad about it. But we're still on from Southern Arkansas Trains. I'm fixing to go catch trains tonight, so we're gonna do some night trains. Let's roll it, guys. Okay, Southern Arkansas Trains here. I was not expecting to do a video today, but there's a train. There's a train right there. How cool is that? I'm gonna try my best to get it. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna do a follow-up because I am on my way to Texas right now, so I ain't gonna be able to, like, stop. But it's Union Pacific! Sure is, guys. Sure is. But what I'm gonna do is, like, I'll stay a night up there, and then I'm gonna be in Texarkana tomorrow, so I'm gonna do train videos. So, look at this. Riding on beside her. Yes. Okay. Hey guys, so the Arkansas Trains here. We got 2 trains on the track, and they're both green. Surprisingly, I think we got a train meet. So this is gonna be like really something cool for today. So I am like super excited. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. I'm over here just sitting right beside the tracks. Well, not really right beside, but you know what I'm saying, just a little far. But anyways, I know they both move because there's green signals, so this is gonna be really exciting. Not gonna lie. Alrighty. Wait a minute. Are they still moving? I think what it is, one of them, I mean, they're coming. Alrighty, I'm gonna start rolling when I get closer. I just got out again, and one signal's off, so I think I want to stop. But looks like that Union Pacific is moving. Yeah, the other one stopped though, but yep. I thought they'd be moving at the same time though. That'd be really cool. But yep, that Union Pacific's coming. Here he is. Interesting. Okay. I'm just sitting down to sit. Pretty cool. Oh wow. That's so cool. Yep. 3 units on that thing. I'm not for sure how much freight he got. I would assume though after he leaves, so I guess the other train will. So pretty cool. because I'm over here just recording trains. But hello, YouTube. Follow my YouTube, so follow us on YouTube for sure. Southern Arkansas trains. You can't miss it. I mean, it's Southern Arkansas. Come on. Everybody's trying to go that way. He's kind of just picking up speed though, but I think it's looks like he's on his way to Little Rock though, where that line is, so he'll probably be around there, probably about non-stop though, probably 2 hours, depending on how fast it goes. Because I see some going like 70 miles an hour, so maybe faster than that. So who knows? Something in that thing. Jeez. Yeah. He's starting to pick up speed now. I swear, that person's like almost in the middle of the road. There's the end of it. All the rat. All the rat. All the rat. Geez, that was kind of bending a little bit. What in the world? Oh no, it's fine. My vision's off, I swear. That's hilarious. But yep, that was the Union Pacific. And I have no idea what the other train is. I'm gonna see if it's, which I don't know, like it's probably just waiting though, because it probably has a switch track. I had no idea. Yeah, it was a train meet for sure. Definitely was. And the other one's all the way down there. I don't know what it is, which I have no idea. I might just go down there to see, because I'm kind of curious to know what that is. Anyways, guys, that was the end of Union Pacific. So, alrighty, we're just gonna keep on rolling, see what we can get. Anyways, I'm gonna roll it the next video now. So, peace.